house from the back view by Jai's cousin's house, her aunt. So you see from over the pickup the first level, second level, and the third level up there, and it has a ladder that goes up to the very top that has a balcony up there. So each of the levels, all three levels, have balconies. It all needs to be repainted, and the vegetation has gone crazy here. There's a lot of extra brush and trees. This is the gate area coming into our place in town, in Surin. And the gate, very hard to slide. It's been let go badly. It's got vegetation, trees growing everywhere. This is the lower level, and it has the two more levels going up that are small, but there's also patios up there, porch patio. And the bigger tree in the back is a mango tree, huge mango tree. Has an outdoor kitchen here. Can't see anything. This shows you the balcony on the second level right there. And then all the way to the top is the other, and that's the balcony there from the third level. It's very nice up there, very nice. I do have video of that. You see how they put glass all across the top of the wall to keep people out. Yeah. There hasn't been anybody living here in 4 years. Very hard to see anything. We came in the side door where the kitchen is. There's no power turned on here, no water. Has two Thai-style bathrooms here. This can be redone to make one American style, Western style. This is the entry that we couldn't get in to the front. And Jai is going up to the second level. Too bad we can't see it. It's got nice blue tile and stainless steel banisters. Okay, this is the second level, which would be where the master bedroom is.
This is my bedroom. My bedroom.
So I'm not really sure why it's got.
Why do you have a hole?
It's a vent.
Huh? Oh, air conditioner?
Yeah.
Why air conditioner gone?
Open this. Jai. This is the second level balcony. I was thinking there's a balcony on the third level too. Maybe there is. Oh, another
The
bedroom in
bird
here.
die here. How they bird? My bathroom.
So I'm not sure. There's 2 full bedrooms up here, and then this landing. Then this goes up to the 3rd level now. This one I already have ear tagged to be YouTube studio and man cave. And it does have another outside balcony. Okay, here's the water tank up here. And the pressure pump. Ooh, look. Can go up again to another level. Wow, another deck. Another deck on the very top. Got a bunch of vines to prune. You can see the little river in front. Now where Jai is standing down there is actually in the 3rd level patio. And we look farther down there to the 2nd level patio. Yeah, I see the river. There's nice big homes in the area here. Yeah, very nice. This I thought it was wood, but it's actually steel. These steps here are actually all built out of steel, and I thought it was wood. Yeah, I can see the welding on it. I was worried about them crashing with me going up, but that was no chance of ever happening. Yeah, it needs some love. That mango tree there is going to have a bunch of mangoes. I can see the blooms on it. I'd like to thank you for watching this video. If you like our content, please reach down and mash the like and subscribe button. We'd appreciate it. Thanks for watching. This is Bobby and Jai with Time to Get Going. Out.